Now here comes the next part. The same animation effect that I had used earlier. We can see that here is the image which is fading out, which is fading off. Next comes the button part, and on clicking that particular button you may see that the image resurfaces up again. So this is the part where we practically need to make some kind of modification into the JavaScript which is being used right over here, and on which part it should be used into the onComplete function. Within this onComplete function that I had made usage so far, which is creating a dialog box saying OK. In this particular part we need to make some particular modifications in an order to create and make usage of the button element that I had used earlier. So in this particular case, first of all, let's head back to the HTML markup language, and here we need to create a div element where this individual div element will be using a class name of, for say, box. So right now if we head back to our project and reload, we can see that practically nothing appears here. And on the other hand, I'd like to say that we will be making changes to this animation type. Instead of some kind of static animation, we will be using some moving or rotating animation, something like this fade up or fade down or this sort of thing. So this is the animation fade up, and we will be commenting off this individual alert button. So if we now reload, we can see that the animation completes, but right now there isn't any alert box which is being generated here as we had commented it off. And on the other hand, there is no box either, so we need to customize this box class that I have created here into this custom style.css inside this individual commented section, which says about UI transition custom style comes right over here. So here we will be making usage of this box. We'll be mentioning it. The width should be 50 pixels. So goes the height 50 pixels. No need to make usage of any display properties right over here. Instead we will be making usage of some kind of background color like this one, for say this one, and width is 50 pixels here right over here. So instead of 50 pixels, I think I should be rather using this width auto. So let's make the cursor to pointer. First of all, let's press Ctrl S and head back to our project and reload. We can see that this is practically the result. The width is auto as we had said here.